So the last question here says, Figure 8 shows cells undergoing mitosis. Describe how the stages of mitosis result in the formation of two diploid cells. So you have the cell at the beginning, an illustration of the process, and then two cells at the end. A lot of people talked about interphase. Interphase is the precursor, so the beginning part of mitosis. You don't actually have to talk about it to answer the question, but it was really good that some people did remember that. So you don't have to start with interphase, you can start with prophase. So I would set out your answer in the individual stages almost in bullet points. That would be fine. So prophase first. So during prophase, the chromosomes start to condense. You could also say that the nucleus will start to disappear. So the next stage would be metaphase, so that's our prophase stage there. The next stage is metaphase. So this metaphase here. So during metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. We could also say that the spindle fibers start to appear. The next stage is anaphase. So at this point, the chromosomes are pulled apart. So they were in their homologous pairs, and now they're starting to be pulled apart to opposite sides of the cell. So the chromosomes are pulled apart by the spindle. Then we've got telophase. So the chromosomes are on opposite ends of the cell. And after telophase, this is where cytokinesis happens. Cytokinesis is the division of the cell membrane to result in two cells. So our chromosomes are on opposite ends of the cell, singular. Cytokinesis will divide the cell membrane, and the result of that will be to leave two identical diploid cells. So cytokinesis will divide the cell membrane to form two identical diploid cells. With this question, and with most questions about mitosis or meiosis, make sure that you are discussing the chromosomes, okay? So not the DNA, not the cells. It's not the cells that get pulled apart or the DNA that gets pulled apart. It's the chromosomes. You make sure that you're using that word throughout, and then that would get you the 6 marks.